There is no such thing as a full coverage car insurance policy. The regulator's own standard setting body says so in writing, and then publishes the exact price of the thing you actually mean. There is no such thing as a full coverage car insurance policy. That is not our opinion. That is the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, the standard setting body for state insurance regulators, telling shoppers in writing that policies are made up of different types of coverages. What survives the phrase is a bundle of 3 separate coverages. Liability pays other people. Collision pays to repair your car after a crash. Comprehensive pays when it is stolen, or burned, or flooded, or hailed on. Each one is priced separately. Here is the number nobody quotes. The NAIC measures the average cost of a policy carrying all 3 coverages. Countrywide in 2023, that was $1,438.46. Against that, the average insured driver spent $1,281.60. The gap is not a discount. It is the footprint of every driver who declined the physical damage coverages. State laws do not require you to buy physical damage coverage for your car. Your lender does, at least until the loan is paid off. The day it is, collision and comprehensive become a choice you are making. Most people never revisit it. Of 234 million insured vehicles countrywide, about 76% carry collision and 80% carry comprehensive. So roughly a quarter of insured cars on the road carry no collision coverage at all. Both coverages pay actual cash value, which the Texas Department of Insurance defines as the cost to replace your car minus depreciation. On a 10-year-old car, that is the value of a 10-year-old car. Then your deductible comes out of it. So run the arithmetic instead of the feeling. Take what your car would sell for today, subtract your deductible, and compare it with about $700 a year for the pair. When a year of premium approaches the biggest check the coverage could ever write, you are prepaying your own claim. The full breakdown is on dreamyleads.com. General information, not professional financial, tax, legal, or insurance advice. See the full breakdown and compare your options at Dreamy Leads Research. The link is in the description.